Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Properties class with Iterator method in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is Collections Framework in Java. So coming to Java Collections, it means collection of objects, group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. And what is framework? So framework means it is a library provided by Java to work with collection of objects in Java collections framework. And this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. And fourth one, map collection. So list, set, queue. So these three are inherited from collection interface, whereas map interface or map collection, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to some technical points. So collections is only for objects, but not primitive data types. If we store any primitive data type value also, internally it will be stored in the form of object. And in collections, every data is an object itself. And this object is, to be more precise, object class object format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java collections as well as in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of properties class with iterator method. So properties class is available in java.util package, and properties class is inherited from hashtable class, which in turn is inherited from map interface. So map interface, it is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework, right? So if you see the description of the properties class, open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue the command java p-p java.util.properties. So properties class is inherited from hashtable class, which in turn is inherited from map interface. So hashtable class is a legacy class. So class which is clonable, serializable, and methods are synchronized. Hence, properties class is also a legacy class. So properties class can be clonable, serializable, and its methods are synchronized. So these are some methods which are synchronized in properties class, right? So now coming to some technical points related to the properties class. So first of all, properties class is a collection of objects representing the data in the form of key value pair. So every key will be mapped to a particular value, and these key value pairs are specifically in the form of string comma string using its own methods. So properties class provides methods to put or to set property which is of type string comma string in its collection of objects. For example, key 1 value 1, key 2 value 2, key 3 value 3, etc. So basically we use properties class to store properties like usernames, passwords, description, comments, name value pairs, which are of type strings. And then its initial capacity, okay, here all keys are unique and values can be duplicated. Initial capacity is empty. It does not have the concept of load factor, which decides the increasing capacity, and it does not provide indexes to collection of objects. Order of objects is not preserved in properties collection, and then it does not accept null values, either null key or null value. If we try to put it, we'll get a null pointer exception. And it provides its own methods for serialization and deserialization process. So coming to constructors and methods. So if we see the description of the properties class, so go to the command prompt and then issue the command java p java.util.properties class. So from the properties class, we are going to use this default constructor with the initial capacity of empty, and then we are going to use set property to set string comma string as key value pair in properties class collection of objects, and then we are going to use key set to get set of keys from the properties collection of objects, and values methods to get collection of values from the properties collection of objects. And here we can also use one more method here to get set of keys only of type string. Now for this we have a special method here. So that method goes like this: to get only set of keys as strings. So string property names, it will get set of keys only of type string. Right, so these are the three methods: string property names, key set, and values. So whose return type is set, collection, and here also we have set of string values. So on this set and collection, we are going to apply the iterator method, because iterator method is applicable for sets, collection, and list. It is not available for map collection. Right. So coming to constructors and methods, and on this set collection, we will apply the iterator method whose return type is iterator interface, which is a cursor. Now coming to the iterator interface, which is a cursor, it goes like this. So iterator interface, it is a cursor available in java.util package, and this cursor is used to accept, or it is used to access objects, keys or values of properties collection linearly from first to last or top to bottom using its methods. So linearly from first to last or top to bottom. So what are the different methods which are available in iterator? hasNext, next, remove. Right, so if you see the description of the iterator available in java.util package, so hasNext, it will check for the existence of next key or next value and returns true or false. If it is available, we are going to access that next key or next value using next method. And then we can also use remove, but it is not advisable to remove either key or value individually, because key value pair is a one set of one object, key referring to a value. So remove is not advisable here. So now coming to program. So properties class example 3.java. Take a new page. So first we'll write the comments, and then we'll import the package, java.util package, and then take main class with main method. So first create an object of properties class, p1 is equals to new properties, and then we are setting the property Sai123, Ram123, Ali123, Tom123, Pop123, and then we will print here properties object p1, p1.size, p1.isEmpty. Right. So now save this program, come to the command prompt, and then compile properties class example3.java. No error, and run. So order is not preserved in properties collection of objects. So we got Pop beginning, and then followed by Tom, Sai, Ram, Ali. So size is 5, is empty, false. So next we will apply key sets. Right. So on properties P1 we are applying key set whose return type is set. Will take reference variable as set of keys. So print all the set of keys from properties P1 object. Save, recompile and run. So these are set of keys Pop, Tom, Sai, Ram, Ali. So next on the set of keys we will apply the iterator cursor. Right, so iterator cursor cannot be applied directly on key value pairs. We have to do it keys separately and values separately. So set of keys iterator whose return type is iterator cursor. We are taking a reference variable I, and then we are applying the iterator cursor method ii.hasNext. If the next key is available, access that key ii.next, convert that into string and store it in S1 and print S1 with a tab space. And for this key, we'll get the corresponding value. How? P1 dot get of S1. S1 is a key. It will return the corresponding value, convert that into string and store that in S2 and then say print ln S2. So it will print key value with a new line. So it will be checked for second, third, fourth, fifth, and if there is no element, it will come out of the loop. Save this, compile it, and run it. So these are keys and its corresponding values using iterator cursor and get method. Next, we will apply values method. It will return collection of values from the properties object. So p1.values, we will get collection of values. So we are taking a reference variable collection of vals and print all the values. Save, recompile, run. So these are collection of values. Right. So next we will apply iterator method on collection of values. Right. So collection of values dot iterator method whose return type is I. So I is a iterator cursor. So we are using iterator cursor methods. hasNext, accessing the next value, convert that into string, store that in SS and print SS. So save this, recompile and run. Right. So these are collection of values which are accessed through iterator cursor hasNext next method. And then we will take set of keys only string. So p1 dot string property names. So it will get only string property names which are keys. So it will return a set, store that in a reference variable, set of keys string and print set of keys string. Save it, recompile and run. So these are set of keys which are only strings. If we have any non-string value, that is not taken into consideration. Right. Now on this set of keys which are strings, we will apply the iterator cursor. Right. So set of keys, apply the iterator method. Return type is iterator cursor. So store that in a reference variable I. So ii.hasNext, ii.next, access the key, convert that into string and store that in S1 and print S1 with a tab space. Now for this corresponding key S1 will get the value. How? P1 dot get of S1. It will return the value, convert that into string, store that in s2 string and print s2 value with a new line. So we will get key tab space with a value and then new line. Save it, recompile and run. So key value with a new line, key value with a new line. So pop, Tom, Sai, Ram, Ali, and its corresponding values. So this is how we are supposed to work with properties class in Java collections framework with iterator method, individually on keys and individually on values separately, but not both at a time, because key value is an expression which cannot be applied directly with iterator, and we don't have iterator, first of all, iterator method available for map collections, hash table and properties. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.